Hi everyone, my second spring cleaning tip is this magic eraser with a Corelle plate. Now you can see this Corelle plate, they come out sometimes if they sit around or if you're just really busy, and I have to do dishes by hand and I do a lot of dishes, and we have a lot of tea and coffee. So you dump the tea and coffee into the sink, it lands on the Corelle plate, which is pure white, and you get yourself a dingy, as you can see, Corelle plate. Now a magic eraser works better than bleach. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dip this magic eraser, clean magic eraser, in this water, just water, plain water, nothing else. And I'm doing this outside because, you know, I just don't want to make a mess in the house. Anyway, I don't know if I can do this while holding the camera, so I'm going to kind of push it up against this thing, and I'll show you how easy it is to clean this. Are you seeing this now? You see that? There's a difference there. You see? Big fat difference. I can't hold the plate and do it at the same time. If I could show you how miraculous this works. It's better than bleach. You see what it's took off? It's better than bleach because bleach doesn't get everything. It doesn't go into the cracks and crevices. And you can take this Corelle plate that looks dingy there and you can rub it. I'm not even putting a lot of pressure on it. I'm just rubbing it. And it turns this dingy Corelle plate into a very white Corelle plate. If I could hold it with my other hand, I don't have a camera tripod anymore. It got lost in the hurricane. So I'm kind of reduced to doing it this way, but it's just plain water. And you're seeing here how much dirt I'm getting off this Corelle plate. And I'm not even putting that much pressure on it. It just comes right off. And it does this with Corelle plates that have the design on them. I have other ones that have a design around them, like indentation, and it's really hard to get coffee and tea stains out of that. But it really just takes a swipe of a magic eraser. These things are wonderful, and I hope you look at my other video too about the magic eraser cleaning a cloth lampshade. Don't throw it away, just clean it with a magic eraser. These are my spring tips. Thanks, bye.